Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save Instagram Reels to camera roll. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app, and if you want to save your own reel, go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, by scrolling down, you'll see the Reels icon. Just click on that, and here you'll see all the reels that you've posted before. So just choose the reel that you want to download. And then when you're in this page already, click the paper airplane icon at the right part of your screen and then select download. Now once the download is done, you can easily find your reel in your camera roll. So that's how you can easily save your Instagram reels to your camera roll. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!